Friends, myself is Danish Azam and you are watching my YouTube channel Danish Learns Learn. Friends, today I'm not going to make any debate on religious matter or any political matter, but I'm going to say something about diversity because I think that it is very necessary to understand our diversity. Nowadays, we are fighting with each other on matter of religion. We are fighting with each other on the basis of caste, on the basis of religion, on the basis of custom, on the basis of culture. So there are lots of hue and cry about that. So I think that it is only because we are not capable to understand our diversity and we are not capable to respect our diversity. That's why we are not capable to cherish and to celebrate our diversity. So it is very necessary to understand what diversity is. Actually means in Hindi language vibhinnata, and diversity means in Urdu language imtiyaz, farq, or you can say that gona goi. So what is diversity? Diversity means having similarities and differences. Some similarities we have and some differences also we have. So similarities and differences that we have is called diversity. For example, we have similarity and we have some differences, like you are also an Indian, I am also an Indian, you are also a Muslim, I am also a Muslim, you are also a Hindu, I am also a Hindu. So it is similarities, and differences is that you live in Bihar, I live in Uttar Pradesh, you live in North India, I live in South India. So it is differences. So we all have some differences and we all have some similarities. So having differences and having similarities is called diversity. You know that we have 5 fingers, and these fingers are not similar to each other, they are very different to each other, but we have no matter, we have no discussion on this because we know that every fingers have some use and every finger is appreciable. That's why we appreciate, that's why we love it. In the same way, we have lots of diversities on the basis of religion, on the basis of caste, on the basis of region, on the basis of languages that we speak, and on the basis of custom, on the basis of tradition, on the basis of our culture, on the basis of geographical factor, on the basis of historical factors. So all these diversities we have. I think that if we understand diversity, we would be able to we will be able to respect, we will be able to cherish, we will be able to celebrate this diversity. That's why I think it is very necessary. Nowadays always people are speaking against religion, always people are speaking against some custom, some culture. So it is not good. We have to understand that every culture, every religion, every language is very important in some extent. For example, for example in South India, if you go, there are very few people who can understand Hindi language, and if you come to North India, there are very few people who can Tamil and Telugu and Malayalam and Kannada. So it is a matter of diversity. There should be a mutual understanding, mutual respect for other religion, for other languages, for other culture. So when we are going to say that my language is good, your language is not good, my religion is good, your religion is not good, so it is disgusting, it is pitiful, it is obnoxious. It means that we are going to impose our religion, we are going to impose our language, we are going to impose our culture, we are going to impose our darshan and our philosophy on another person, on another sector. So it is not good. And you should also think that we are very much diverse on the basis of food, on the basis of cloth. So it has geographical and historical factors. As you know that the culture and the diversity that is found in Ladakh is very different from the diversity that is found in Karnataka, found in Kerala. So what is the factor? The factor is a geographical factor and historical factors. As you know that in Kerala, if you go and visit, you can find Muslim population also, you can find Christian population also, you can find Hindu population also, you can find Hindi speaking people, Malayalam speaking people, Arabic speaking people, Hindi speaking people, Urdu speaking people, English speaking people. So why this diversity is you find in Kerala? Because it has geographical factors and historical factors. As you know that Kerala is very near to Arabian Sea. That's why people from Arab came and settled down in Kerala. They didn't come alone, but they came with their own language, with their own culture, with their own religion, and they started practicing those religion and those languages in Kerala. You know that people from Britain also came and settled down, and they came with their own language, their own culture, their own religion. That's why you can find Christianity also. So it is matter of diversity. It is factor of history. And as you know that in Kerala also it is very near to Arabian Sea. That's why you think that it is a trade junction, because it is very easy to navigate here. It is very easy to go through Arabian Sea to the different parts of the world. That's why you can find lots of job opportunities, you can find lots of things. That's why Kerala is getting richer and richer nowadays, and this is not the same in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh and in different states of the India. So it has geographical factors. Kerala has hot climate and Ladakh has cold climate. So people of Ladakh normally uses heavy clothes, and people of Kerala uses normally light clothes. It is matter of geographical factors. If people of Kerala starts demanding that people of Ladakh should wear the same cloth that people of Kerala are using, so it would be something that is not acceptable. So that's why in Ladakh you go, Ladakh people are people of Ladakh are very much dependent on cattle. That's why they eat flesh, they are non-veg, because it has geographical factors. Because there is very little rain, there is very little soil. That's why they are not capable to do agriculture in large extents. That's why they are something dependent on cattle, dependent on milk produce. That's why they are totally dependent on it. And this scene is not the same in Kerala. In Kerala, people you can that fish is available, because being near to Arabian Sea, fishes are in abundant. That's why people of Kerala eat fishes, and people of Ladakh eat flesh and mass. So it is not matter of religion, it is matter of geographical factors. That's why we have to understand this diversity. If we understand this diversity, there should be no fight, there should be no discrimination, there should be no clash, because we know that every diversity is affected by two factors. One factor is geographical factors, and second factor is historical factor. That's why it is the matter, it is the factor, it is the reason. That's why nowadays we teachers are trying to spread this message in our school, and also NCERT books. Through NCERT books also we are trying to make our student understand this diversity better. But we have to initiate another thing, that our politicians are actually not understanding diversity. I think that NCERT should try to write some books for our politician, and there should be some classes on diversity, and this politician have to come and join this classes. I think that after understanding diversity, there would be no discrimination, there would be no debate on this type of matter. We are going through lots of difficulties, lot of challenges around us, challenges about occupation, challenges challenges about profession, challenges about health, challenges about good education. But nowadays you can see that there is no debate on this matter. Only there is debate on religious thing, on languages, on custom, on culture. So I think that it is not good. We have gone astray. So we have to change our mindset, and we have to think that what is the burning topics, what is the burning matter. We have to delve upon it, when we have to think and consider in this matter. So nowadays I think that we have to understand diversity, and we have understood diversity, and our school are trying to make every student understand diversity, and I think that we are very much successful in this regard. But our politicians are not understanding diversity. I think it is pitiful. I think it is obnoxious. I think it is disgusting. We have to change our mindset, and we have to come forward, and we have to try to tell our politician that this is not good, and we have to learn how to respect, how to understand diversity. I think that it will come out with good things, with good results, and result would be very good. It is my very little attempt to make you understand what is diversity, and what type of benefit will you have after understanding diversity. So please be tuned with me, and if you like my video, so please share with your friends and relatives, and with humanity, with all Indians. I think that it will come forth good results, a good